Couple of thoughts on air cleaner installation. Notice that the air cleaner is dirty from the inside and it's clean from the outside, and that's because the intake to the air cleaner is right there. If you can see that square hole, and so it's a really good idea when you install the air cleaner to put a little bit of sealing grease around this gasket, and this is what I use. You can use any other grease. The electric grease works fine. It's clear and it's easy to clean, and what it's going to accomplish is a couple of things. Number one, you're not going to have air bypassing this junction here and going directly into the carbs, which means that your bike is not going to run lean, and also that it's not going to intake all kinds of unfiltered debris. Another thing that's important to consider is the gasket here on the side cover in this area, which is really the access door. And so let's think about what happens if this gasket doesn't seal well. Air is going to just enter right through here, bypass the air cleaner completely, and go right into the carbs. Again, the motorcycle is running lean and you're taking in unfiltered air. So this gasket, I would say, is even more important to put grease around. As long as you grease these junctions, you should be in good shape.